Junkyard Junkie back here with another video. Today we're going to be replacing the long stock factory antenna for a shorty 7-inch antenna. This is an extremely easy job that anyone can do in their own driveway in just a minute or two. If you're worried about radio reception, remember you can always go back, but for the most part these short ones do just as good. So let's get started. I'll throw up on screen right now the antenna I'm using if you want to buy it. Also, all you'll need is an adjustable wrench or an 8mm. Okay, so when looking at your antenna, you'll have two little flats. That's where your wrench comes in. Just start to unscrew it. Now it's just as simple as taking your new antenna and just threading it right back on there. Perfect. And what a difference that made. So we go from that long antenna to this little short one. To me, it makes it look a lot better, makes it look a lot cleaner, and it was extremely easy. And that's going to do it for this short video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.